Docile Pro World, a journey to be technical.
RedHawk is an all-in-one information gatherer which allows the user to find critical information about any website, such as the IP address, CMS, DNS, and Cloudflare presence. RedHawk consists of 13 modules which range in functions from gathering basic information to detecting vulnerabilities. RedHawk is an essential tool for any respectable penetration tester. Features of this tool: it extracts information about any target, find geolocation of target, check CMS of target. Subdomain scanner is also included and it's easy to use. Now open the Kali Linux, open the terminal, switch to desktop, CD desktop, enter. Now enter the command git clone. https github.com/tuhinshubhra/redhawk. GitHub clone URL. Now hit enter. It's cloning. Now check ls, open the directory cd red_hawk, enter. Now use the command php rhawk.php file, hit enter. It's working fine. And now enter the website. So enter the website testphp.1web.com, which is test website. Here enter 1 for HTTP or enter 2 for HTTPS. I'm enter 1. So now the tools basic recon, which show the information title, IP address, who is lookup, geo IP lookup, grab banners, DNS lookup, subnet calculator, subdomain scanner, reverse IP lookup, SQLi scanner, bloggers view, WordPress scan. So many tools are included in this single tool. Name is RedHawk. So here you can see I'm using basic recon and it show me the information like IP address, web server, CMS, Cloudflare and robots file. Select whether the site run on HTTPS or not. Select the type of a scan you want to perform. And after this, you can leave the rest to the scanner. So it's a all-in-one tool for information gathering.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Like, share and comment below.